Manufacturing is where the Daktronics story becomes real, where ideas become reliable, repeatable solutions delivered to customers around the world. Across the global manufacturing network, every facility operates with the same commitment to quality, precision, and reliability. This ensures consistent performance worldwide, reduces logistics costs, and enables faster regional fulfillment. Our manufacturing approach is deliberately flexible. We leverage external partners where it creates efficiency and vertically integrate where customization, complexity, and speed matter most. This balanced approach allows us to respond quickly to customers' needs while delivering solutions exactly as designed. We continue to invest in automation and advanced manufacturing capabilities to remain competitive across diverse cost environments, supported by rigorous quality control and in-house reliability testing. We're not focused on simply adding capacity. We're focused on delivering the Daktronics experience consistently, wherever our customers do business.